Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Strava account. For that you need to go and open your app and now tap on join for free button and select your platforms, how you want to log in, how you want to sign up, and then choose your Gmail account, and then it will ask you to give them access about your name, profile picture, and your email address. Just tap on continue button, and now you have to enter your first and last name and your date of birth, and tap on OK button, and then tap on continue button, then select your gender, and you need to tell them what types of activities do you like to do, run and walk, and tap on continue button, and tap on let's go. And now you need to choose your plan, choose as many as applies. So select your answers and then choose your fitness journey, tap on continue button, and again tap on continue button, and they will show you their subscription plan. You can start a free trial, or you can simply tap on skip button, and now you need to give them permissions and tap on done button, and that is how you can sign up into your Strava app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.